Welcome to my channel Understanding Political Theory BA Topic Evolution Theory. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. The theory in brief. Historical or evolution theory answers these questions. Convincingly, it maintains that the state has reached the present form after passing through many stages. It is the result of a slow, steady, and continuous evolution over a long period of time. It affirms that the state is neither the handwork of God nor the result of any superior physical force nor the creation of a contract. The state is a growth, not a make or creation. Factors responsible for the emergence of state. No single factor can explain the origin of state satisfactorily. Various factors are responsible for the emergence of the complex structure of the modern state. They are number 1 kinship, 2 religion, 3 economic factors, 4 force or war, and 5 political consciousness. They are discussed below. Number 1 kinship. It means blood relationship. It is the strongest bond of unity in the early society. Common descent brought people together. Kinship creates society, at length creates the state. MacIver. The earliest and the closest unit of kinship is the family. Gradually, families expanded, and with this, clans and tribes came into existence. The clans was ruled by a king's man. It was the family that punished the people who violated the social customs and traditions. Real government had thus begun in the family itself. Thus, family became the symbol of unity and kinship. The matriarchal theory maintains that the state has come into existence from the family. The state says Gettil grew out of the family and functions were those of a combined group of kingsmen. Number 2 religion. Religion acted as the most powerful and potent force in keeping the people united in the early times. Religion was the sign and scene of common blood, the expression of its oneness and sanctity, its obligation. In those unsettled conditions, religion alone provided unity and respect authority. Every habit, every custom, and every idea was governed by religion. People thought that religion was the gift of God. People worshipping the same God followed the same authority. Number 3 economic factors. Man cannot live without food, shelter, and clothing. To earn them should do some work. Primitive people's economic activities can be divided into three groups. They are huntsman stage. Here people lived together in groups without any property, economic and social distinctions. Pastoral stage. The institution of private property came into existence. People elected a ruler who exercised unlimited authority. Thus, some kind of organization was established. Still, the people were only wanderers or nomads. Agricultural stage. Agriculture was introduced, and with this, people had settled down in fixed places. The instructions of private property was strengthened, and the society was divided into the rich and the poor. Naturally, the rich dominated the poor and established an organization in get their own interests. Economic factors play a virtual role in a nation's life. They were responsible for the outbreak of the French and the American revolutions. Karl Marx maintained that economic factors determine history. Number 4, force. Force is essential both for conquest and defense. For both these purposes, they obeyed a leader who exercised unlimited powers, and that authority gradually developed into political sovereignty. It is said that the state has come into existence when the herdsmen conquered the husbandmen or peasants. It means state has come into existence by force only. Number 5, political consciousness. Man by nature is a social animal, and so he lives always in groups. An organization is needed to protect the lives of people, liberties and properties, and to maintain peace and order. At first, people had only duties and no rights. Gradually, they felt the need for rights also. Thus, political consciousness had developed among people. People having the same political outlook had united, developed sympathies for each other, and formed capitalist, communist, and socialist, etc. blocs. Conclusion. Thus, we can conclude that no single factor is responsible for the formation of the state.